How to reset YouTube recommendations. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily reset your YouTube recommendations. As most of you know, YouTube recommends you videos based on the videos that you like or based on the videos that you probably watch continuously. You can perform this method or process on both Android as well as the PC version. Once you're inside your history section, you can tap on Clear Watch History. You can also pause your watch history if you don't want YouTube to keep tracking whatever videos you like to watch. For now, I'll simply tap on Clear Watch History. As you can see from over here, your video recommendations will be reset, but they may still be influenced by activity on other Google products. Keep that in mind. What you need to do next is tap on Clear Watch History just like this, and your video recommendations from YouTube will be successfully reset, just like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.